In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leading zeros in Excel. This is super helpful for things like zip codes, product SKUs, employee IDs, or any code that must always show a fixed number of digits. By default, Excel treats numbers as numbers, which means it drops any zeros at the start. I'll show you 3 reliable ways to display them, explain when each is best, and point out a few gotchas so your data behaves the way you expect. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and loading the sheet you want to work with. I'll reference a value in cell A2 as an example, but use the cell that fits your sheet. A clean, formula-based approach is to use the text function. In an empty cell, type text A2 and press Enter. This tells Excel to display the value from A2 as a 5-digit string, padding with zeros on the left as needed. If A2 has 123, it becomes 00123. If it already has 12345, it stays 12345. You can change the number of zeros in the quotes to match your required length, like 00020 for 6 digits. Keep in mind, text returns a text value, not a numeric one. That's usually perfect for IDs, but if you plan to do math later, do it on the original numbers first, then convert for display. If you're entering just a few values by hand and want a quick fix, type an apostrophe before the number, like 00123. The apostrophe tells Excel to store what you type exactly as text, so the zeros stick. You might see a small indicator saying number stored as text, which is fine for codes. This method is simple and fast for occasional entries, but it's not ideal for large data sets. Another formula method that gives you precise control is to combine padding with the right function. In a cell, type right 000 and A225 and press Enter. Here, 000 is the padding and A2 appends your number, and right takes the last 5 characters. If A2 is 7, the combined string is 00007, and the last 5 characters are 00007. If A2 has more than 5 digits, this trims to the last 5, which can be useful when you must enforce a fixed width. As with text, this result is text. Adjust the number of zeros and the final 5 to match your desired length. Choose the approach that fits your workflow. Formulas for consistent, repeatable results, or the apostrophe for quick manual entries. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.